Allie Grace's first solid food feeding.
Yummy. Rice cereal.
You like that?
Do you want some more?
Really going down well, isn't it?
I know, that
Come
tastes
on.
awesome.
Right?
Oh. Whoa.
There you go.
Gotta watch the feet. Hey, maybe let's take that off for a second. Yeah. Gone.
I got your little feet. You can't kick now.
Haha.
Ooh.
Look,
Ooh.
look. There's another one. Oh, it's so good.
Try to just stick that spoon in there. Whee!
Baby,
What?
I know how this is done. Open up. Ooh.
He said,
He said, get that away from me. I ain't eating that. Oh. Baby. She's actually kicking it away. Let's have,
She just swatted it.
let's have some more. Do you actually know what that means? He said try it again, see what I'm gonna do. It's delicious. Daddy will eat some with you. Daddy, look. That's not a good example.
Yes, it was.
One more time, come on. Open up. It's gotta be better than your medicine.
Rice cereal. I love how she's shaking her head now.
Yeah. We don't have to do all of this. I think the point is just to get her to try it.
Okay.
Look. Yeah.
A little bit. Oh, get in there.
Got it in.
Yeah.
Well, it doesn't smell
Hopefully it
very
tastes better than it looks on her face.
Yeah. Can you scoot her up a little bit in that thing? There. Sitting up like a big girl. Come on. Come on, big girl. Open.
Open. Ow. You dropped.
I'm sorry, honey. I know. Hey, see if you can get her to open her mouth. Like,
Allie Grace.
do what your daddy said. Ooh.
Allie Grace.
You like that? Did not work. We might be done for now.
Is that take? Is that a wrap on?
Yeah, that's a wrap.